Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are doing absolutely amazing. So बहुत ही कम time बचा है for the CA Intermediate January 2025 exams. I know आप लोग की tension बढ़ गई होगी, but do not worry, you still have sufficient time and with the right strategy you will be able to clear. So I'll help you with subject-wise strategies where I'll help you to allocate the number of days to each chapter. And if you will follow these, planners, you will definitely be able to complete your syllabus on time. Very soon I'll upload a full-fledged planner for each group as well as both groups. But till then I'm uploading subject-wise strategies. So let's get started with CA Intermediate Advanced Account Strategy. Also, I will request you that in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. After exams, you can unsubscribe it, but till exams, please do subscribe it. Also, do press the bell icon so that your time is not wasted and you can receive the notifications of my new videos because now a lot of videos are going to be uploaded for CA Intermediate only. Okay. So let's get started with C Intermediate Advanced Account Strategy. I'm assuming that you have already completed your classes or your self-study and you're done with the concepts. You are done with the understanding of the concepts and now you're going to start with the revision. So to revise this subject for the very first time, you will need a minimum of 8 to 10 days. In case you are speeding up, that you can also complete this planner in 8 days or else you will require 10 days. I have made this planner considering 10 days. So I have divided the subject in three categories. Number one is your small chapters, then your accounting standards, and then your big chapters. So what you are going to do is you are going to complete 2 AS each day, minimum of 2 AS each day and one chapter. Okay. And in case you feel that you have completed with the day target and you are not going to study any other subject, then you can move on to the next day target also. Okay. So open up your copies or I'll also share this PDF on my Telegram channel and start noting that what all targets I have allocated to you. So on day number one, you're going to start with buyback of securities. You will secure at least of 4 to 5 marks if you will complete this chapter. And along with that, you're going to complete with two important AS number 2 and AS number 16. I'll request you to follow this sequence only because if you will follow this sequence now, then most of the important chapters will be completed at priority and you will be left with less important chapters. Although these are CA examinations and we cannot estimate that what is important or what is not important, but as per the analysis of May 2024 papers, September 2024 papers, I have made this planner. Okay, so I would request you that you should follow this sequence only if you are following this planner. So on day number one, you are going to complete with these three topics, and then after completing them, you are going to move on day two target where you will be completing with branch accounting, AS number 10 and AS number 26. Then on day number three, you are going to complete with AS number 29. And if there are any backlogs of day number one or day number two, then you can complete them on day number three. Then on day number 4, you are going to complete with these three topics. And this financial statements topic should be very strong because a long question can come on this, on schedule 3, on cash flow. So as per my, analysis, I found that these two topics are very important. In fact, these three topics are very important because this can be tested in MCQs as well. So you can expect that from these three topics, minimum of 14 to 20 marks can be asked. Okay. Then after you are done with all these topics, you are going to move on to the big chapters. So on day number 5, you are going to complete with the leases, AS number 13 and AS number 7. And from day number 6, you are going to start with big chapters. You can also start with big chapters on day number 5. So on day number 6 and 7, I have allocated to internal reconstruction as well as I have allocated these AS to day number 6 and 7. That means your AS number 9, AS number 11, AS number 17, 18 and AS number 15. Then on day number 8, you are going to start with consolidated financial statements as well as AS number 4, AS number 5 and AS number 20. Then on day number 9, you're going to start with amalgamation. So on day number 9 and day number 10, you're going to complete with the remaining AS as well as amalgamation. So you can complete with AS number 2, 24, 25, 12 and 1 as well as amalgamation. So if you will follow this sequence, your most important and scoring chapters will be covered at priority. Also, with a planner, you will be in a proper rhythm as well as you will feel confident that okay, these many marks are covered. So this planner is as per the ICI weightage as well as after the analysis of the question papers. And this may obviously differ in your January 2025, but if you will follow this planner now, so you will be easily be able to complete with the subject with the syllabus. I will recommend you to complete 100% of syllabus, but obviously if you will have less time, then it will be up to your goal. But if you're thinking to leave any chapter na, that will be a risk. तो जब भी आप कोई चैप्टर छोड़ रहे हो ना, so make sure that you're taking a risk of those many marks. So please make sure that you complete 100% of syllabus. अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करना कि एंड टाइम तक हमारा 100% ऑफ सिलेबस हो पाए. So I hope that this video helps you, and very soon I'll come with the another video for the another subject, and in that also I'll allocate the few number of days to the all the chapters of that subject. I'll come after a proper analysis only, so please allow me some time, like 1 or 2 days. In 1 or 2 days only, I'll come up with the another video. Also, if you have any queries, any doubts, you can feel free to comment down. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe and share my video.